All right, this is a quick intro to Audacity part 2. This time I'm going to show you how to use existing sound clips to edit. So all you have to do is open up Audacity, and then once you have your sound clip, most likely MP3s, you just select them, and all you have to do is drag them in. If they're the right format, they should open like this. So this one is a soundtrack of rain. All right. So one thing I can do with this is, if I don't want the rain to start too abruptly, I can highlight the first part. Oops. And create an effect, which is fade in. Uh, right here. And then you see how it changed the sound. It goes from low to high. So I'll just play that to see how it plays. So now one thing that you need to know when you edit sound, you can superimpose them. So if this is the soundtrack of rain, I can add the soundtrack of a distant thunder, and that will add a second track. You see that down here. Now let's play both of them. They should both of them play together. And they do. I find that my thunder is a little faded, so I'm going to amplify this sound here just by going like this. Actually, I'm going to cut that first because I don't need the trail. And highlight the whole thing. I go to Effect and Amplify. And I'm going to amplify that by, I don't know, 5. Okay. And you see how much louder it is. So let's try that. Nice. Now if I want my thunder to start after the rain, what I have to do is move it on my soundtrack by cutting this out and just moving it up. And I can add as many thunders as I want. I can also, if it's a real bad storm and the thunders are really close, I can overlap them by adding another track. To do this, you go track, add new. You have to, whoops, where's it? Track, add new. Stereo for this one. And then I can, wherever I put my cursor is where I'm going to copy. And you see here, the sound of this thunder is not quite over when this one will start. So let's see how it plays. Now, if I want to add a cow mooing after the thunder, I can just go select cow sound from my files, add it up here, and then I can move it around. Whoops. Try that again. I can move it around where I want it. Let's see how it plays. So there you go. You can access the sound files in my outbox. If you don't know how to get there, just ask Ms. Zitsov or Brody, and your task is to make a little story using those sound files. So have fun doing it.